So I had to kind of look at this and say, you know what? I need to reevaluate this perspective on a ketogenic diet. I've really since come to believe that though ketosis is super helpful for humans and turns on a lot of important genes that are involved in cellular house cleaning, autophagy, and affects genes in a positive way, it's powerful medicine, kind of like fasting. You can overuse it. So I realized, I've overused ketosis, and insulin, this peptide hormone that is released when you eat primarily carbohydrates, but some protein induces insulin release. We think of insulin as a bad hormone, but it's such an important hormone for the human body. If you don't have at least phasic, meaning spikes of insulin throughout the day or throughout the week, you're really not going to be able to hold on to electrolytes at the level of the kidney as much as you want to. And that's why so many people on ketogenic diets do more salt and electrolytes than I've ever seen in my whole life. It's crazy. That's why whole companies have arisen around ketogenic diets trying to fill these electrolyte needs of people who have essentially flatlined their insulin signaling